Long time no speak on buzzers. Roger Rabbit. Roger Rabbit in the big star said, let's go.
And that right, Roger Rabbit, no doubt about it. Sounding good, Kid Mick. I just wanted to holler at you, man. Hey, Roger Rabbit, I just wanted to holler at you, let you know I heard you sounding good. Keep on doing what you're doing, because you're doing it in style. Roger Rabbit, take care. Have a super fine one. Appreciate you spoke at. Roger Rabbit, your buzzed it up around the northwest corner around who said I can't key on your ass, County Oregon. Roger Rabbit, good day.
You said some kind of good and you won't take it. That's a doggone real. Don't lay a buzzard. I gotta watch it.
And that's my Roger, no doubt about it, Rabbit. Good, that's a good one. And that's my Roger, Rabbit, your buzz at northwest corner, and I bang. Hello around Barbados, big brother. I hope I'm able to keep you. Hello around Barbados, your buzz that got this gate going. Come on, let's go. Isn't that right? No doubt about it. Did you say one pill, Cat Mega? Did you say one pill? You're talking so Cat Mega fast, but I want to get it. You on the gate, man, but I don't want to call you the wrong kind of handle, man, around Barbados. Come on around Barbados. One more time. Buzzard, listening. Let's go.
One pill, P-I-double-L, just 170, 120, and 79. That's all I got. Hey, Buzzard, 120 and 79. Jerry's on the small drive. I can't make it talking out loud. Take care. 91, Switchblade. It's the original one pill, goddamn.
Isn't that right? One pill, no doubt about it, man. 128.79, no doubt about it. You doing your thing. They can't make it muddy mouth Switchblade try to come up in there talking to somebody, man. I ain't kind of pointed at him, but he get in my way every now and then. Hello, one pill. Hello to you, one pill around Barbados. Your buzz at northwest corner, and I'm right back. Let's go.
Hello to you, my legendary friend. Mr. Barbados, Switchblade, over right back. Don't you hold these boys in.
Isn't that a right, one pill? Isn't that a right, one pill? It was a pleasure on my cat making in. Hey, one pill, it was a pleasure on Buzzer's cat making in. No doubt about it. Good evening, good afternoon to you, one pill, Barbados. Your buzz at northwest corner, and I just banked again. Come on.
Oh yeah, Buzzer there, right back. Oh, right, we are, we both done. Buzzer, yeah, you sure right. That's up like a Buzzer, running northwest corner, no doubt. Hey, Buzzer, man, I just want to read 4 fingers in my tongue and get a little bit of Mother Nature around your pond road, no doubt. Hey, Buzzer, them all Buzzers, one to the other side. Mother Nature, bro.
Isn't that right? 1 p.m. Barbados, you did what you had to do that time, man. If you want to hear this gate, I'm going to put it up when I get done talking to you. It's going to be on Facebook on Who Said I Can't Key on Your Ass on Facebook. That's my group, man. Show is. Hello to you, 1 p.m. once again. 1 p.m. your buzz it up around the northwest corner, and I just banked again. Come on.
Not possibly, it's Woodley, 245, come on. Hello to you, Buzzard. Hey, Buzzard in the northwest corner, you got some long conditions, one to the right back, come on.
Isn't that right? 1 p.m. no doubt about it. You'd have all the conditions you need too if that kept making Switchblade wasn't out there. And that kept making Switchblade, he ain't killing you, man, but he in there with you, but I'm still hearing everything you got to say. Good evening, good afternoon, once more time, Mr. 1 p.m. Barbados. Your buzz it up around the northwest corner. I gotta let you go now, man. I don't know how long Mother Nature gonna stay. Mr. 1 p.m. Barbados, your buzz that I bang.
Yeah, brother. Hey, brother, Big Peter. Hey, brother, Big Peter. Hey, brother, why you Big Peter?
right, no doubt about it. All right, then, one pill. Hey, Big Peter. Hey, Big Peter, why you had to do that, man? Hey, Big Peter, why the hell you had to do that, man? Big Peter, your buzz at Northwest Corner, and I'm right back.
Why you just bang Big Peter right back, right?
Hey, Big Peter, they had you tied up, man. They had your mouth covered, man, but you chewed through. Hey, Big Peter, they had you tied up, man, but you finally chewed through. You got that off your mouth and you got it off your hands and you did what you had to do. Good evening, good afternoon to you, Big Peter, your buzz at Northwest Corner, and I'm right back. Come on.
I'm not gonna say nothing.
Isn't that right, Big Peter? No doubt about it, man. That duck sugar switchblade ain't got in that, man. Hey, Big Peter, that can't make a switchblade done heard me a little bit now. He didn't got in there. He wanna side talk me on the side. Hey, Big Peter, take care. Have a super fine one. Big Peter, your buzz at Northwest Corner, I bang.
Okay, brother. Great. I say, what's up? Brother, when you get up out, tell him what to do. Hey, brother, got down.
Isn't that right, Big Peter? No doubt about it. All right there, man. That cat making man, he heard me. He can't get to me because I got my antenna size of him. I know where to put it to keep that cat making out my duck sugar radio as much as I can. No doubt about it. So he trying to side talk over there on me. But hello to you once again, Big Peter. Take care. Big Peter, I care buzz at Northwest Corner and I bang. Now that cat making city, he's sitting there thinking he's talking to Budweiser, but I'm gonna get on out of here. I'm gonna get on out of here and leave that cat making Switchblade alone. He got Switchblade name for real, boy. That cat making, you don't know the real name behind that Switchblade. Let me get on out of here. Buzz might say something he ain't got no business. Your Buzz in Northwest Corner and I bang.
Bye, brother. No color, brother. No color, brother.
Hello, my brother around the hog yard. Hello, my brother around the hog yard. I'm gonna say hello to you. Hello to my big brother around the hog yard. Your Buzz is right back. Let's go.
The number 13 man, hey brother, those Youngblood, the number 13 man in the hog yard's getting down.
You couldn't have did a better copy on that cat making number 13 man in the hog yard. You couldn't have put it no cat make it better clear and made my radio talk like it did. Hello, number 13 man. Yo, Buzz it up around the Northwest Corner and I'm right back. Let's go.
Tell you, brother, what you got it going on, Cutting Big, I guarantee you. All right, my friend, take care, guys. Grace, I'm going to start this thing down, put on the 50-yard line, and get back to some Bluetooth for the show. Brother, Northwest, while you thinking, that number 13 man, and the whole bar's getting down, down, down.
And that'll right, number 13 man in the hog yard. I appreciate you taking the time out, Cat Migger. And it was a pleasure on this Cat Migger end. Sure was, Mr. 13 man in the hog yard. Yo, Buzz it up round the Northwest Corner. And I banked again. Now, good day.
Copy, copy. You also, nephew. Roger, roger, right on. Take care, nephew, I'm out. Whoa, slow down, man. Say, nephew, say what? So you got the audio turned down, I'm working on the stop.
As I end this gate, Got to finally get a good QSO with Barbados. Your buzz at Northwest Corner. One peel and I'm gone.